Were you able to see where they were misdirecting or directing to other places some of those items on the
I
list?
would. There was competitive programs, and what I mean by that is like you see the books behind me.
Yes,
There's only so many.
right.
If you know the total number of books and you say I want half to go this direction, that means you only have half left to go any other direction, right?
And those are not accounted for, the other half.
Exactly.
Got
So
it.
if you're telling me that two-thirds are going left, you can't have half going right. There's only a third left. So the concern that
Got it.
I
Okay.
the concern that I had was if the mission as given from Congress, which was fully funded and paid for, was to perform the strategic planning necessary to oversight what we refer to as our overseas contingency operations, which were significant. We're talking multi-billion dollars.
Wow.
Efforts in Iraq, efforts in Afghanistan, and when you think about how Afghanistan ended, it reinforces every single thing I'm saying.
Wow.
It's virtually impossible to leave when you leave hundreds of millions of dollars worth of equipment without some form of decision making.
Right.
I'm going on vacation, but I'll leave my stuff. No, it's a decision, it's a choice. And
Right.
with choices come consequence.
And
And
not, and obviously they weren't accountable for anybody, right? To anyone, so they could just do what they wanted.
yes, in other
Wow.
words, I wouldn't go that far.
Okay.
What I would sign up for is you can't look back and make any kind of consequential decisions about accountability. Therefore, with no accountability, there's no responsibility. And if there's no authority, I guess nothing really happened. So we take a look at the consequence.
Got
And in
it.
this particular case, it's nation state failure.